First of all, prepare your baking tray with a small amount of vegetable oil to prevent your wedges sticking. You then need to make sure that your potatoes are washed and then cut in half lengthways and turn onto a flat edge, and then position your knife at a 45-degree angle and that will cut a wedge. Tip the potato onto the board and then repeat cutting at 45 degrees to get even sized wedges. Place on the tray, drizzle over more oil and season, and then turn to coat your wedges in oil and seasoning, and then arrange on a flat layer on your tray. You're then going to bake your wedges in the oven on 190 degrees C or gas mark 5 for around 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden in colour and soft and fluffy inside.